Page 18, Wedding March, is a very famous melody by Richard Wagner. Don't see anything really too tricky in here. 2/4 time, no sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major. Make sure you can do the scale for C major and the scale for A minor. At least 2 octaves up and down. I got scale videos on them. Go knock yourself out here. Here, these 16th notes are the dotted rhythms. 1, 4. Don't turn these into triplets. 1 and 2 and that's triplets. It's got to be short and crisp. 1 E and 1 E and 2. Short. 5/4. Crossover. 2 1 E and 2 E and 1 E. So make sure the dotted rhythms are short. That's the trickiest part of the whole piece as far as I'm concerned. As far as articulation goes, there's some things we can do with it, but we'll just stick with what they've got. You're pretty much just connecting it all. You can lift up between the phrases, and in this, the way this is written, it just works out that each line is a phrase. So you can lift up there in the right hand if you want. You have to lift up in the left hand anyway. It's like taking a breath. The pedal's going to mess it up, but still we can work with the pedal later. Dynamic-wise goes to the melody here. Left hand needs to be the background. You can breathe out a little bit. That can be like a moderately soft. But in the background still, speed-wise, lento is slow. Just think about a wedding and people coming in. It's like they think they're walking so slow, you think they're at a funeral. Well, that depends on your view of weddings, I guess. It's like a procession, a solemn procession. Okay. Then we add the pedal, because we need lots of overtones and we need to connect this. So we got to have pedal on this, and it's going to be overlapping pedal. And you can pretty much pedal it like they're showing, but I'd kind of like to hear the phrasing, but we need to talk about that. I'm going to push the notes down first and then the pedal. And then change the pedal after I play the notes. All the way through. Pretty much straightforward. I'd like to hear the phrasing at the end of each line. The last 2 measures of the first line. To do that, I'm going to lift the hands up with pedal up with the hands. So I hear phrasing. 1, 2. Our problem here is I can't connect the left hand. I can't keep the sound going. It is a complete silence for an instant. I don't know that I want that in this particular piece. So I'm stuck pretty much covering up the phrasing with the pedal because I need the pedal throughout. I'm still going to lift up in the right hand. I want to feel the phrasing, whether I can hear it or not. Let's play it together slowly, and that is repeated. We're going to play it twice. I'm not going to do any dynamics or anything, just the notes and the rhythms and the pedaling. So I'll give us 2 counts because it's in 2/4 time. Ready, go. 1 E and 2